As the morning sun gently touches your room, you wake up to a new day, yet your body feels a bit slower than it once used to be. Those subtle aches in your joints are the echoes of time, signaling a change deep within your biological structure after reaching the milestone of age 60. Deep inside, the scaffolding of your body, known as collagen, is beginning to thin out, losing the strength and elasticity it once provided in your youth. You might feel your steps becoming heavier or your movements restricted. After 60, the natural production of collagen drops significantly, causing your joints to speak up. But do not worry, this is not the end of your mobility. It is simply a call to care for yourself more wisely through traditional nutrition. The secret to moving with ease lies in the foods our ancestors once prized. Let us explore how to nourish your joints for a vibrant life. Maintaining independence starts with the building blocks of your connective tissues. These foods provide the raw materials your body can no longer produce on its own. Every bite you take is an opportunity to rebuild and repair. We are moving beyond supplements into the world of real, whole, collagen-rich functional foods. It is time to rediscover the power of traditional kitchen wisdom. These 5 specific foods are your best allies in the journey toward lasting joint comfort. From the depths of the ocean to the heart of the hearth, these ingredients hold the key to unlocking a more flexible and active version of you. Let us begin our journey with a food that is often overlooked but contains the very essence of structural resilience and deep internal lubrication for joints. Food number 5. Bone marrow. This is the foundation of resilience. Bone marrow contains the essential compounds that help your joints move much more smoothly every day. Think back to traditional meals where every part of the animal was honored. This marrow is one of the most concentrated sources of natural joint support. The healthy fats found in marrow act as a natural lubricant, cushioning the areas where bones meet and reducing the friction that causes daily discomfort. It is rich in alkylglycerols, which support your immune system while providing the structural fats needed to maintain the integrity of your precious joint capsules. Including bone marrow in your diet is like giving your skeletal system a deep conditioning treatment from the inside, restoring what time has slowly taken away. It is not just about the collagen. It is about the entire matrix of minerals and fats that work together to keep your framework strong and supple. When you choose marrow, you are choosing a nutrient-dense superfood that has been prized by cultures around the world for its incredible life-giving properties and strength. Simple to prepare and delicious to eat, bone marrow is the ultimate secret for those seeking to maintain their agility well into their golden years of life. As you nourish your body with these traditional fats, you may find that the stairs feel a little less daunting and your movements feel more fluid. This is the original source of collagen, delivered in a package that your body recognizes and knows exactly how to use for repair and maintenance. Incorporate this once a week to provide your joints with a constant supply of raw materials they need to stay resilient against the stresses of aging. Small changes in your diet, like adding marrow, can lead to significant improvements in how you feel when you wake up and move every single morning. It is a culinary experience that feeds both the soul and the joints, bridging the gap between gourmet dining and essential, life-sustaining therapeutic nutrition. By providing these fats, you are essentially greasing the hinges of your body, allowing for a range of motion that keeps you active and fully independent. Now, let us move to our 4th food, a versatile substance that is actually collagen in its most digestible and bioavailable form for your digestive system. Food number 4. Gelatin. This is collagen that has been gently cooked down, making it exceptionally easy for the aging digestive system to process and absorb. Gelatin provides the specific amino acids, like glycine and proline, which are the primary building blocks for the repair of your tendons, ligaments, and cartilage. Because it is already partially broken down by heat, your body can quickly shuttle these nutrients to where they are needed most without taxing your digestion. Think of gelatin as a specialized delivery system for joint repair, providing the exact glue that holds your body together and keeps it from feeling brittle. Next, we introduce food number 3. Liver. While liver itself is not a source of collagen, it is the most important support system for its production. Liver provides vitamin A and copper, the essential construction workers that your body requires to actually assemble new collagen fibers from the amino acids you eat. Without these micronutrients, your body cannot effectively use the collagen you consume. Liver ensures that your internal repair systems have all the tools they need. A small serving of liver once a week can provide a massive boost to your metabolic health, supporting not just your joints, but also your vision. It is nature's most potent multivitamin, specifically designed to help the human body maintain its structural integrity and recover from the daily wear and tear. By combining gelatin and liver in your weekly diet, you are creating a powerful synergy that promotes both the supply and the assembly of new tissue. These foods work together like a well-oiled machine, ensuring that your body stays as flexible as possible, regardless of how many years have passed by. You don't need expensive pills when you have the power of functional foods. Gelatin and liver are the time-tested secrets of a long and mobile life. They provide the deep nourishment that modern diets often lack, filling the nutritional gaps that can lead to joint stiffness and the loss of physical vitality. Simple to integrate into your routine, these foods offer a bridge back to the strength you felt years ago, supporting your body's natural urge to move. Respecting these traditional ingredients means respecting your body's need for complex nutrition that goes far beyond the basic proteins found in common muscle meats. As you share these meals, you are also sharing the wisdom of longevity, ensuring that the secret to joint health remains a part of your family. Copper is the hidden key that binds collagen together. Without it, your tissues remain weak. Liver is the most reliable source for this critical mineral component. This is comfort food with a purpose. It warms your heart while it heals your joints, providing a sense of well-being that radiates from the inside. Explore the different ways to prepare liver so it becomes a highlight of your week, a small sacrifice for a huge gain in your physical mobility. Consistency is the key to seeing results. By making these foods a regular part of your life, you provide a steady stream of repair materials. Feel the difference as your connective tissues become more resilient. You are not just getting older, you are getting wiser about how you fuel your movement. It is time to embrace the foods that actually make a difference. Gelatin and liver are your partners in maintaining a life of activity and freedom. But we aren't done yet. Our next food comes from the cold, deep blue waters of the ocean, bringing a different kind of strength to joints. Food number 2, sardines. Do not let their small size fool you. These tiny fish are a powerhouse of nutrients specifically designed to support bone health. When you eat the skin and soft bones, you are consuming a direct source of collagen and the perfect ratio of calcium for your own bones. Sardines are incredibly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which act as powerful anti-inflammatories, cooling the fires of joint pain and reducing daily morning stiffness. For those over 60, protecting the hip and knee joints is crucial. The combination of vitamin D and omega-3s in sardines provides a formidable defense. They are also one of the cleanest fish in the sea, meaning you get all the benefits of the ocean without the high levels of mercury. Incorporate sardines into your lunch a few times a week. It is an affordable, easy, and incredibly effective way to keep your skeleton feeling young. By providing the actual bones of the fish, you are giving your body the exact mineral matrix it needs to maintain its own bone density. This is convenience meets super nutrition. A simple tin of sardines can be the difference between a day of stiffness and a day of effortless movement. The high protein content also helps maintain the muscles that surround and support your joints, providing an extra layer of protection against accidental injury and falls. Every part of this small fish is a gift to your health. It is a complete package of joint-supporting nutrients delivered in a delicious, savory bite. Experience the freedom of movement that comes from reducing inflammation. Sardines help you stay in the game and enjoy the activities you love the most. Whether fresh or canned, sardines are a versatile addition to any diet. They are a true superfood for the joints, especially as we age past 60. The vitamin C from the lemon further aids in collagen absorption, making this meal a perfectly designed system for your body's structural health and maintenance. It is not just about your knees, it is about your heart and brain too. Sardines offer a holistic approach to aging gracefully and with full vitality. And now, we arrive at the most legendary joint-healing food of all, a remedy that has been used for thousands of years to restore strength. Food number 1, bone broth. Often called liquid gold for the joints, this is the ultimate combination of everything your body needs to rebuild and thrive. It is easy to drink, easy to absorb, and packed with a concentrated dose of collagen, glucosamine, and chondroitin in their most natural and effective forms. By simmering bones for hours, we unlock the minerals and amino acids trapped inside, creating a nutrient-dense elixir that directly feeds your tired, aching joints. Because it is a liquid, the nutrients are available for immediate use, making it the perfect daily ritual for anyone looking to improve their physical mobility. A simple cup of broth a day can provide the steady supply of raw materials needed to keep your cartilage thick, hydrated, and functioning at its best. Making your own broth is an act of love for your body. It is a slow, meditative process that results in a powerful medicine for your joints. This liquid contains the essence of structural health. It is the bridge between the food you eat and the comfort you feel in every single movement. Think of it as hydration for your connective tissues. Bone broth helps your joints retain moisture, which is essential for shock absorption and pain-free movement. It is a gift of health you can give to yourself and those you love. A simple, warm habit that yields incredible results over the long term. When your broth turns to jelly in the fridge, you know you have succeeded. That jelly is the very substance that will soon be supporting your knees. With regular consumption, you may find your morning stiffness disappearing, replaced by a sense of lightness and a renewed desire to stay active and engaged. This is the ultimate foundation for joint health after 60. It is simple, profound, and deeply rooted in the history of human health and longevity. Customize your broth with ginger or turmeric for an extra anti-inflammatory boost, making it a tailored remedy for your specific needs and personal taste preferences. These amino acids are the bricks of your body. Bone broth provides them in abundance, ensuring your construction site never runs out of necessary materials. Reclaim your strength one sip at a time. Bone broth is the liquid gold that empowers you to keep exploring the world on your own terms. Patience is rewarded with a broth that is rich in life-sustaining compounds. It is a slow medicine for a fast-paced world, grounding you in health. Prepare a large batch and make it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Your joints will thank you for the consistent and deep level of nourishment. Gardening, walking, playing with grandkids, these are the moments that matter. Bone broth ensures you don't have to miss a single second of the joy. It is the simplest thing you can do for the biggest impact on your quality of life as you navigate the beautiful years after age 60. Caring for your joints is about more than avoiding pain. It is about reclaiming your independence and the freedom to move through life with joy. Every small nutritional choice you make today is an investment in your future mobility, allowing you to stay active for the moments that truly matter. Science confirms what tradition has always known. The right foods can slow the hands of time and keep our bodies resilient and strong as we age. Start with one, or embrace them all. These 5 foods are your roadmap to a more flexible, comfortable, and vibrant version of your wonderful self. Small changes in your kitchen today lead to a higher quality of life tomorrow. Your joints aren't just parts, they are the wheels of your freedom. Thank you for joining us on this journey to health. We wish you a life full of movement, flexibility, and the independence you truly deserve to have. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more health insights and share this video with someone you love. Let's stay active together every day.